Rotimi Fakaijo is a trader and chief executive officer at Enterprise Stockbrokers and is joining us for a few minutes conversation as always here on the program. A pleasure to have you this morning.
Good morning, Boston.
It's good to have your voice back on the program. So, today looks another interesting day with Jaiz Bank. Talk to us a little bit about this commercial bank.
Well, Jaiz Bank has been around for a while, and we know them as a non-interest lending bank, and I think that has been a mainstay for them for quite a while. And from what I've been hearing from people, they believe that definitely the bank has been doing well and is going to do much better. And with them coming to get listed on the exchange, I believe is a sign of renewed confidence in the market, and also for their action will thereby dip in the market. So I believe that this kind of event is what we'll be waiting for. We've seen that of Medview come, and now we are having Jaiz. And definitely that implies that we're going to have many more to come even later in the year.
If you look at Jaiz Bank, is going to be very different, and it's always been different from the rest of the banks listed on the exchange, isn't it? So, do you think anything will be different in the way you stock traders would look at this commercial bank in terms of when your clients ask you questions? Hey, if this bank is going to do an IPO, is listed by introduction, should I position for it?
Well, I think it may not really be different, but I think a lot of people who consider the banks, that at least those who do not really believe that they should invest in the banking sector, I mean the Muslims now, I believe they will definitely get themselves involved in this particular bank, and that definitely will boost more activity on the stock. So we have more people that would ordinarily wouldn't have invested in the conventional bank, that we invest in this bank, and also already people who are already into banks that will also take investment in this particular bank. So I believe it's definitely going to be a much better outlook for Jaiz Bank more than those other commercial banks because of the involvement of some set of people that would not ordinarily have invested in a commercial bank.
Yes, I understand. What you call ethical investors, those who decide not to invest in companies that produce alcohol and things like that. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, look at the trading engine for us today. What's on the news? Are we looking at any earnings before the week runs out by tomorrow?
Yes, I think for now we have not seen any, at least since the beginning of the week. We are hoping at least one should come, and they are not coming. It's not helping the market at all. The consumer goods sector is actually dragging the market down considerably. We have seen a major loss from Guinness, from Nestle, from Nigerian breweries. And I think that with the way it is, that's actually brought down the market by 0.74%. And that is quite huge for a time like this, whereby just about 9 million shares have been traded for a value of 221 million naira. I want to believe that those results should come no matter how they really are, at least to put to rest a lot of anxieties that is going on in the market right now.
Well, okay, thank you, Rotimi Fakaijo. I don't want to, try to make things up here, but on Tuesday when you had some protests, the market took a beating, and it looks like the NLC is also protesting the state of the economy this morning, and then looks like the stock market is taking another beating. You said about 0.75% so far down on the Nigeria Stock Exchange or share index. Okay, thank you, Rotimi Fakaijo. Welcome back to the markets, and we hope to see more of you in the days ahead from Enterprise Stockbrokers. That's about all for today.